Is your external component the Osfshared Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Office Shared Framework logic links. While preparing the manual steps for Osfshared Library, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Osfshared Library, the Office Shared Framework Library. It manages the unmanaged inter-process communication (IPC) for Microsoft Office 365 web-integrated add-ins. It facilitates the rendering of modern task-pane apps within Word and Excel. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Osfshared belongs to the Office Shared Framework Logic Bundle and is unique to that software. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of Office Shared Framework Logic will restore this file along with its related binary components. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Osfshared Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of Osfshared Library DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite link below provides informational guidance for Osfshared Library. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Osfshared Library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.